In this video, you will learn how to repair paint chips like these with a Scratchwizard touch-up kit in about 10 minutes. First, apply factory-matched paint to the included disposable towel and dab all chips until covered. Next, apply a small amount of paint leveler, our excess paint remover, to a disposable towel, and with light pressure, wipe over the repair area. The excess paint will transfer into the towel, and the good paint stays in the chips. Here's a closer look. You'll see no paint blobs, and you won't have to pay a body shop lots of money to repaint your car. Get a touch-up kit for your car at scratchwizard.net and make minor paint damage vanish in minutes, guaranteed.